Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Ali Shanmal here. We are here at the Chiangmai RC airfield, and kiddos are flying FPV, so I'm gonna give you the clips from this visit. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Mr. Arish is also starting in FPV. Abdul Hadi is here. Yep, chase each other. Learn to chase each other. Want me to join as well? You can basically take a ride in one of these for 3,500 baht, but this one is not ready yet. Norman is there with his plane, and there are other aircraft as well. I'm gonna stop talking and start flying something. How does it handle?
Nice.
Nice and easy to fly, right?
Oh, very easy to fly. Goof proof. Goof proof.
Goof proof, yeah, it is.
Yeah, kind of just take your fingers off. See where it is.
It's holding its altitude even at, holding its position even at that altitude. That is surprising for an optical flow camera that small on its belly, you know. So, take off. There you go. So now, Arish is flying. Of course, he has experience flying other Yuxiang helicopters as well. But seeing how Norman, complete beginner, was able to fly it, you know how beginner friendly this helicopter is. Alright, now it's manual. Now go around, it will have more speed. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Yes. Up, up. Yes. Go forward now. Up, up, up. Yeah. Alright. You can handle, but slow down, slow down. Yes, slow down. Now it will pick up more speed. What do you feel?
So easy.
So easy to fly, right? Are you chasing Hadi or oh, you almost hit his head? Careful. Invert it forward. It's like battery is finishing, right? People. This little trip to Chiangmai RC airfield is over. I hope you enjoyed the views. I hope you enjoyed our little clips of flying RC and all the little aircrafts here. Next time, inshallah, we'll give you more detailed tour because there's a lot you can do here. And there's another airfield where they fly paramotors. They fly paramotors, so next time we can also bring you there. Stay tuned. More videos are coming your way soon. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.